Orange Room. Today we're gonna make ice boats, and you need some water. If you have an ice tray, you can use an ice tray, or you can use any plastic containers you might have. So I have some little rectangles and a square container. So first we're gonna carefully pour the water in here. You can practice your pouring, or you can just fill them up in the sink. Okay. So first let's talk about these. So if you have popsicle sticks, you can use popsicle sticks, or you can use a plastic straw if you have a plastic straw, or you can collect sticks outside. So this is gonna be the little flag in our boat. And I wrote some numbers on them, or you can write letters. You can spell out your name and put each letter of your name on the triangle. You can do shapes on them. You can do anything you want with them. Alright, so now we're gonna put some colors into our water so that we can have colorful boats. We can help squeeze them in too. Alright, I'm gonna finish up with this, and then we're gonna put them into the freezer. And you're gonna have to wait a little bit because they need to freeze in the freezer. So you're gonna have to be patient, and you might have to wait until tomorrow to get your ice boats out and play with them. Or you can wait a couple hours. Okay, so I got some foil, and you need to do this before you put it in the freezer. So I'm gonna cover it up like this. And then you're gonna carefully put your little flag in just like that so that it can freeze. Okay, and then when it's done freezing in the freezer, you can take off the foil, and then you can take your ice boat out. All right, I'm gonna put them in the freezer, and I'll show you what they look like when I take them out. They look like. So I'm gonna carefully take the foil off. Mom and Dad are gonna have to help you with this, okay? Alright, so the foil is off. Now we have to get our ice boats out of their containers. So you have to crack them carefully and try to pull them out like this. Here's our purple boat with the number 9 on it. Alright, I'm gonna put them in here. Alright, I'm gonna take them all out, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do with them. Okay, here are all of our ice boats. I put them in this bowl, and then I filled this other bowl up with water. What do you think is going to happen when we put it in the water? Do you think it's going to float on top or sink to the bottom? Let's see. I'm going to try our number 2. Is it floating? It's like a boat. All right, so you can fill up your water bin with water, or you can find a bowl like this to play with them in, or you can fill the sink up and play with them in the sink, or you could even, if you use food coloring, you can use them to paint, and you can watch the ice melt on the paper and see what happens. And do you see how the water is changing colors too when it starts to melt? Okay, I hope you have fun with your ice boats.